Hey y'all. So the second quad that I got with the first quad for the tractor build is going to be for my son. He's only 3, so it's taking a little bit longer on me and him because he's helping me build this one. I did buy a new carb for it because it's leaking like a mother. I think it's got a crack or I don't know what the hell's wrong with it, but it's easier just to buy a new one for cheap and then dick with this one the entire time. He picked out the paint for the body, so we're going with the blue, and then we got like a gray off to the side because we're going with this as the seat cover. It's like a gray snakeskin type of deal. He picked that out too. So this is his four-wheeler build, I guess. He's been helping me fix it. But that's what we got going on right now. Yeah, I'll post another video when it's done or the next thing we do on it. So